Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 11th to 18th of April. Please keep in mind these are general readings, might or might not resonate with each one of you. Also, time is fluid. This could be happening to you right now. This could happen to you in the future or would have happened in the past. Also, I would just like to tell you about the new moon which falls on 11th or 12th, depending on where you are. And this new moon is all about bringing to the surface all the hard work you've put in, getting your results, opening new doors for you. I think this is this is a very good new moon, and we all look forward to it. Let's see what the week holds for you. Yeah, like I said, we all have been working hard. All right, so you really are losing sleep, you really are hurt over something, Gemini, but you're working hard. You have a passion for something, but you're still very Eight of Swords is very stuck energy. You feel very stuck. Let me clarify this Eight of Swords for you. Yeah. So you feel stuck in terms of relationships. I would say the bottom of the deck is lovers. Your card, Gemini. So I would say, for those of you who feel stuck, there's somebody coming in with a lot of passion. They could be toxic. They could be a third party situation, but I think they have finally decided to express. I think you felt stuck because you didn't know what the other party felt for you, or probably it could be the other way around. Take it as it resonates. And I think this is because you really have been working hard. You were really sure about this, and somehow you were not getting enough communication back. But I feel now things are moving, and somebody has really decided. Though there's a devil energy, let me also clarify devil. Yeah, third party, like I told you. Yeah. So what did I say with devil? The devil never says third party, but I had this intuition. So yeah. So this person, we have got Three of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Two of Wands. So this person, was not very sure about who to choose. There was a lot of, I think the stuck energy was not just at your end, was at the other end too. And now this person has finally, chosen or has decided that you would be the one they want to go ahead with, because I think they see the kind of efforts you put in this relationship. Let me clarify with Oracle Temperance. So yes, you were very balanced. You were very, you showed them that you're not somebody who would, want their peace, don't want their peace to be disturbed or something. You are somebody very balanced, very grounded, and I think this is what is attracting them towards you. Let us see what are the love messages. What are the love messages from the universe? You know what to do. You were born with that it quality, and there's a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. So, when they come to you, or when even I think they will not come to you directly. I still sense that they will indirectly want to know whether you are actually ready for this kind of commitment, and you are grounded, and you would know what to do, because you have this quality of being grounded, taking the right decisions. And if you still have the questions, if you still are in doubt, I think you should um, uh, take help of universe, take help of your friends, take if there's a question mark where you still feel that should I not, I think you should seek the answer somewhere, and you will get it. The universe is saying, when I lean on the certainty and faith, I change my mind about how I see the world. So yes, I think you should have faith in this relationship, is what the universe is trying to tell you. Let's see what the how you can handle the situation, what the wisdom cards are trying to tell you. Tolerant. So be more tolerant of the time that this person might take to come towards you, because like I told you, they are really in a very very confused state. And though they have decided, they will not come directly, like I told you, because again they somehow are still attached to the third party, whether even in energies, they're still, so you would need to be tolerant of them this week. This is all I'm getting for you. And I think you've gotten the message, and if you want to get personal readings, do write to me, and I would really appreciate it. And please, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. We'll meet next week.